Vegeta, what does the
Sj7 star.
about his power level? It's 1006. What, really? Yeah, kick his ass, Nappa. Yay!
Good morning guys and welcome to my channel. Currently may dumating na package from Lazada. I ordered it for quite some time now and I'm really excited because I finally got it. It's actually one of the accessories for my Sj7 star sjcam that I normally use for moto vloggings at saka pag nasa labas kami pag naglilibot-libot. So without further ado, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung package. Well, ito siya. It was delivered by Lex Corp again. No, Lex PH. Hindi siya yung Legion of Boom. So, worth value is 919 pesos. So, ano kaya to? Actually, I'm really excited for this item. Meron pa ako isang accessory dito para dito pero hindi pa siya dumarating. Actually, hindi pa siya na-order. Pero soon, pag na-order ko siya, I'll make a good review with all the accessories that I got from my Sj7 star. Just really exciting. So, ready? Ta-da! Bubble wrap again. Nice. Another stress reliever. Kung mapapansin nyo guys, sorry medyo wala pa usong boses ko at medyo may pagka ngongo. Ilang beses ako naabutan ng ulan and wala akong dalang kapote. So here it is. It's the Sj7 star waterproof case with a power cable, with a USB cable. That means pwede kong gamitin yung sjcam ko, no need to open the case, and I can charge it up, and also hopefully I can also put the mic. Yes. So hindi ko na patatagalin ko ano yung last accessory na in-order ko. Yung ordering ko, yun yung Sj7 star mic. Now, what I'm planning is tatanggalin ko na yung battery ng Sj7 star. Why? Because it's also one of the causes kung bakit siya nag-iinit. That's for my own assumption only. Pero, logically and technically, may probable cause siya. Diba? Alright, so let's open it up. So easy open case siya. Hindi siya completely sealed. Not like what I was expecting. Pero, sabi nga nila, it's the thought that counts. And right beside is my Sj7 star, my baby. Okay, so let's take it out of its case. I don't know kung same din ng iba yung case nila, parang medyo tight. Pero sa akin medyo tight. Medyo mahirap tanggalin ng camera. Okay, so let's do a side-by-side comparison first. Yan. Parang higat na ko yung mount. Sinamount naman ito. There we go. So, I'm really excited. Not only that, I can use this on the rain while charging the camera. I can also put probably the mic. That's what I'm really hoping for. So, ito yung cable na kasama niya. According sa review na nakita ko doon, manipis daw yung cable. Pero, side by side comparison ko siya sa stock cable na nakuha ko sa action cam. I hope you can see it. Pero parang, yeah, exactly. Mas makapal yung dumating na cable ngayon compared dun sa dati. I don't know kung nakakuha lang sila ng bad batch or bad supplier. Pero, yung nakuha ko is mas makapal. Which is really nice. Alright. So, let's try to put, experiment natin siya. So, we've got swivel here. This is the mount for the camera. When you open it, it's still the same. Pop up, and naka-sealed siya. So, button check. Yeah, they're working. So, without further ado, let's put the camera in. Ooh. Yeah, mukhang masikip lang talaga yung case ko. This case, actually nag-slip in lang directly yung camera. Isa-isang case kasi kailangan ko pang medyo gamitan ng force eh. So, ba't ko sinara? Let's open it up again. Okay. Nice. There you go. Action camera on its new case. Sj7 Star. Nice. Alright, so next part is we're gonna try to test the cable to make sure that it's charging, and we can also use it for data transfer. Those are the most two important things of this case. If wala yun, almost baliwala din to. Given na mukhang hindi ko rin mapapalitan yung kable dito kasi medyo sealed in siya eh. Meron bang way para mapalitan yung kable? No, I don't think so. No. Yeah, it's pretty sealed in. So, that cable is permanent here. So first, wow, that's tight. That's really tight. Okay, I'll be back. I'll try to loosen this up and I'll get back to you guys, okay?
1 hour later.
Okay guys, it turns out meron palang diskarte kung paano mo siya mabubuksan. Siguro wala lang talaga ako sa sarili ko because of the flu. But I found an easy way. So as you can see here, meron siyang slot. And the easiest way to open it up, loosen it up, is actually put a peso, a 5 pesos, or a 10 pesos coin, put it on the slot, and spin it around. There you go. Easy, right? So that's the easiest way to loosen it up. Okay. And most likely, paghigpit na din. Alright, so there it is. The port, the USB port, which is the most important thing about this camera. Or I mean, about this case. That's why I bought it. Okay. So, this is the USB. Mini USB cable. Oh, wait. May hanggang dun sa ano ko. Sa phone. Anyway, so, here it is. A laptop. Moment of truth. Did I got scammed? Oh, look at that! Look at that! So, let's start first with the mass storage. Let's use it as a USB. And the touchscreen is working as well. Nice! Really nice. Although I don't recommend this to go on a swimming. I won't dive into a pool or at sea using this case. Because as the spec says, it can only go up to 10 feet, up to 3 meters. Hindi ibig sabihin yun, isasubmerge nyo yung case na to sa 10 feet to 3 meters. No. Out there in the rain, yes. I would highly recommend to use this. So there you go. Right away na-detect na nung computer ko yung there it is. There are my files. Okay. So, how am I gonna go out there? Okay. So, close na muna natin siya. Eject. Since we all know na detect siya ng computer, what I wanna try is the charging part. Ibig sabihin kasi na-detect ng phone, pwede siya mag-charge. Ng computer na pwede siya mag-charge. So, let's give it one more jiggle. Let's go. The third option. So you got mass storage. I don't know what EXT power means. So let's just go with normal charging. Oh shit. Oh no, nag-charge pala siya. Sorry, natakpan lang nung case. Pero nag-charge siya. Look. It's charging. Okay. So that's success. So I'll just put this in. Back in carefully. There you go. Alright. So let's see if it's charging for some time kasi ginamit ko na siya for a few hours. Yung pinaka gusto ko lang talaga dito is I won't have to take out the camera if I'm gonna transfer files. Yes, Wi-Fi is supported for the sjcam, pero mas mabagal yung file transfer niya, especially kung 4K yung mga files na transfer nyo, which is what? Tens of gigs. So, mabagal siya para sa akin. Mas reliable pa rin sa akin yung data cable. So, I guess that's gonna be it for our sjcam waterproof case with USB cable review. Okay. Once dumating yung mga next package na in-order ko, I'm also gonna do a full review with all the items, all the accessories that I'll be putting into my Sj7 Star. So, guys who wants to do motovlogging can also use this kind of technique. Sj7, Sj6, Sj5, Sj4000, all of those action cameras has waterproof casing, same as this one. Waterproof casing is same as this one. So, you can take advantage of that in terms of the power charging, data transfer, and syempre, the best doon, unlimited power, diba? Kasi meron tayong times na gusto nating mag-rides, especially us, we've experienced times na gusto natin mag-ride for quite a distance, let's say 600 kilometers to 1,000 kilometers. Now that's gonna take a really long time. Okay, and along the way, we don't have the luxury to charge our phones, to charge our cameras, to charge our gadgets. Yes, we can bring power banks. We can also install power charger on our bikes, but I don't really recommend it to use those charger on your gadgets, same as this one, same as your iPhones. Yes, there are cases na sinisira yung USB charging ng mga gadgets yun. So I really don't recommend doing that. Although for emergency cases, yes, you can. I would probably just recommend to switch off the engine because there are sometimes you're charging while the engine is running, nagka-fluctuate yung current. Okay. Especially kung medyo faulty or busted na yung regulator ng bikes nyo, there's a big chance na mag-fluctuate yung current going to your gadgets. And if that happens, high chance din na masira yung mga gadgets nyo. So no. So let's avoid that. Power bank, yeah, go ahead, you can do that. Or you can just get this case instead. Diba? Alright, so once na medyo gumaling na ako, I'll try to do a motovlogging with this one, using this case, and I'm also gonna do a full review. So, meron akong pending review for the sjcam, all stock, and I'm also gonna do a full review with all the accessories included, waterproof casing, all the other gadgets. Hindi ko na-spoil kung ano yung next na gagawin ko dito, pero baka ma-surprise kayo. So, hopefully ma-surprise kayo. Sige. So, for now, that's all, guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, comment, and like this video, and support our channel. Watch out for the next video. Click that notification bell. Click that notification bell so that you can be updated for the next videos to come. Okay? Have a good day. Thanks for watching. God bless. See ya, guys.